Hello, Strapi team. I have found a bug and it's quite complicated to explain. I want to show you how to reproduce this bug rather than just detailing in text because it's sometimes a little difficult to portray exactly how something happened in text. Plus, there's a couple nuances I want to try to explain as to why I think this issue is happening. So, here's the problem. So, we have a collection which has basic stuff and then a dynamic zone below. You add stuff to the dynamic zone, and then inside the dynamic zone, we have a repeatable component. Inside the repeatable component, we have things like a link, size, a detail, and then an image. We select the image we want, we finish, and we hit save. Image disappears. Why? That's definitely a bug. So what I decided to do is I tried to figure out why is it missing. I go into the database backend, and this is what I find. If I query the put a line at it, files related to morphs, which is how the Strapi wants to relate images to components and other things, I do see that it does exist right here. Subcomponent image dynamic sizing, because it had the this is the correct one. It's relating to the right thing. So it does exist inside the relation, but and the file does exist in the database. Everything's fine on the database side, but it's the front end and how it's retrieving something. I'm not exactly sure exactly what the problem is. What I really think is happening is how the backend for Strapi is querying results from the database. I think that's what the real problem lies at, because I can have reproducible error similar to this if I try to query this right here. So this query is filters based off of ID, and then populates, which is populates everything, and then zone, which is my dynamic zone, and I want to populate everything inside of here, right? Whenever I do that query, this is what I get as a result. And inside of the zone for one of the objects, frame 3, I have the same exact information as y'all do. I have brief detail, a link, a size, just like you do. I receive all that, but I don't get the image. That's why I think what the problem actually is how Strapi is retrieving information from the database, not the front end. I don't think the front end is a problem because I'm having similar behavior. I hope this video demonstration is short and concise and explains the problem. Thank you for listening. Stop.